This is Molendinarius here from latinum.org.uk and Latinum at Patreon. We're looking at Riddle and Arnold's copious and critical English to Latin dictionary and the word garden. And this word gives us English speakers a bit of trouble, a little bit, because the Romans didn't use it in quite the same way that we do. So in the singular, hortus, it refers to a vegetable garden or possibly an orchard. But the kind of garden that we have around a suburban house is not a hortus, but horti, gardens, like the botanic gardens, and so on and so forth. Possibly that's why the English expression is the botanic gardens in the plural, because somebody knew their Latin somewhere along the line. So hortus, horti. Hortus, mostly of a vegetable or a fruit garden, in other words, an orchard. Horti, of a pleasure garden or ornamental garden, portioned off into beds, etc. A small garden, hortulus, hortulus, belonging to a garden, hortensis, hortensis. To lay out a garden, hortum aedificare, hortum aedificare. A garden already formed or laid out, hortus institutus, hortus institutus. One who works in a garden, this is late Latin, hortulanus, hortulanus. The keeper or overlooker of a garden, horti custos or hortorum custos, horti custos or hortorum custos. Custos horto fructus servandi gratia impositus. Someone who guards the fruits. A garden seat, sedile. A marmore, for example, one made of marble. The kind of thing you do find in fancy gardens. And then stibadium, a semicircular garden seat. Stibadium. The cultivation of a garden, we look up horticulture, which we're not going to look at now. A bed in a garden, areola, areola, or hortus, so far as it is hedged in. So a little bed in a garden with a boxwood hedge around it, for example. A walk in a garden, ambulatio horti, ambulatio horti or ambulatio hortorum, ambulatio hortorum. Xystus, a walk planted on both sides with shrubs, xystus. Garden tools, instrumenta hortensia, instrumenta hortensia. A garden knife, falx, in the shape of a sickle for trimming trees and so on. Or you can say falx putatoria or falx arborea. Scalprum is a garden knife with a straight edge, and the straight part of the edge of the falx is also called scalprum, scalprum. And the verb to garden, hortum colere, hortum colere. And to be fond of gardening, hortorum cultu delectari, hortorum cultu delectari. A garden door, fores horti, fores horti. Garden plants, hortensia, hortensium. And a garden roller, the kind of thing that was used on a lawn, cylindrus, cylindrus. And garden stuff, hortensia, hortensium, or herbae hortensis, general term. Olus olaris are pot herbs. Those are vegetables for us in our modern English, things we eat. Oluscula, olusculorum. The garden wall, Maceria horti, Maceria horti. And the gardener, which we had before, above, Hortulanus. This is late, Macrobius. Hortulanus. Olitor is a market gardener, someone that grows vegetables. Arborator, with reference to trees, an orchardist. Topiarius, someone who cuts trees into artificial shapes, topiary in English. Topiarius. Gardening, hortorum cultus, hortorum cultus. Hortorum cultura, or hortorum cura. Res hortensis, as a science, in a title, a treatise on gardening, De Re Hortensi, or De Hortis Colendis. And then let me just scroll across here, and then up, and we continue this entry on gardens. There we are. A treatise on gardening. To write a treatise on gardening, De Hortis Colendis scribere, or De Hortis Colendis exponere. And that's where we will stop. So lots of things about gardens. So to remember, the plural is the kind of garden that most people have nowadays, and the singular is a vegetable patch.